How can I make a profile field dependent on the selection of another profile field? In previous tutorials, we created several subscriber lists with different types of profile fields. Now let's go one step further and explore how to create profile fields where the options are dependent on the selection in another profile field. In this example, we have a list that allows subscribers to select their country and state of residence from two pull-down menus. However, since the state field only contains entries for US states, this isn't ideal for subscribers from other countries. A better option would be if the items in the state pull-down menu dynamically changed depending on your country of choice. To accomplish this, let's create a new lookup table named States and Provinces. To save time, we'll use the import entries method like we did before. We can then simply upload the entries from 3 text files that we have created beforehand that contain a complete list of states and provinces in the United States, Canada, and Australia. When all of the entries have been uploaded, right-click on States and Provinces and select Define New Subset. Enter the name of the subset, in this case Australia, and drag all of the Australian states into the box on the left, followed by OK. Then repeat this step for Canada and the United States. You now have a lookup table with 3 subsets for our 3 countries. To use this lookup table, right-click on the name of the list and select Open List Definition. We'll change the name of the state profile field that we had before and call it States and Provinces instead. On the Profile Field Details step, click on Selection Field Sources and select the new lookup table containing the 3 subsets and choose Depends on Other Field from the pull-down menu. Then select the profile field that the subsets will depend on, in this case, Country, and click the Define link to define the dependency mapping. Then locate Australia, Canada, and the United States in the list, and select the corresponding subset from the pull-down menu, followed by OK. Since only 3 countries have states and provinces in our lookup table, it's important that you make sure that this field is optional rather than mandatory. Otherwise, subscribers from other countries won't be able to define their profiles because entries for those countries don't exist. Click the Finish button to save your changes. Now, when people subscribe to your list and select their country from the pull-down menu, the state or province field will dynamically change and only include the states and provinces that are relevant to the country of choice. For countries that don't have states or provinces in the lookup table, this pull-down menu will simply be disabled. Thank you for watching.